Hello guys! I know it's already June and this is Easter ticket, but I found it. I found this ticket near to my daughter's school. Hola a todos! Boa tarde! Mais dia de luta! Vamos jogar e ganhar! Okay, so today, hoje eu tenho 10 euros sessão. Okay, so I managed to bought this ticket today. Okay? So, eu tenho o número 25 e 26. Okay? Outside Portugal. How to win in this ticket. Beautiful Easter ticket. My favorite. In game 1, it's a matching symbol. Jogo 1. Jogo 2, we're looking for Sino or Bell. Jogo 3 or game 3, we're looking for basket of eggs. Basket means cesto in Portuguese, guys. And game 4, 3 like prizes to win that prize. Gonna use this coin. G-Sards. Okay. Okay. G-Sards scratches. Come on, ticket. My favorite ticket of all time. Come on, Sino. Like to see this Sino. This ticket is old, guys, and somebody won the jackpot already. But I just like this ticket. Looking for Sisto. Sisto. And no. Oh my Diyos. Okay, 3 like prizes. Somebody won the 100,000 already, so there's no way I can win. 50. Come on, one more 50. One more 50. Oh my Diyos. Okay, so I was hoping one more 50, but no. Here, we're looking for Quilio. The linear hen, right? No rhyme or cloud, Juaninia or ladybug, notas, and nada. Okay, so the first ticket is a loser. Let's hope this is a winner. Come on, Sino. The symbol that I needed is here. Come on, ticket. Oh my Diyos. I was talking, guys, but my phone stopped working. Okay, so let's continue. I didn't find Sino or Bell. Let's hope can find the basket. Come on, ticket. No. Oh my Diyos. Let's hope it's a winner. 20, 10, 20. Come on, one more 20. 20 or 10. Oh my Diyos. 10, 10, 20, 25. Santa Casa. Okay. Our last hope. We're looking for flower. Come on, flower. And nada. Nada de nada. Okay, so I bought 2 and there is no win. I was hoping it's a winner because I bought 2, but there's no win. Okay. I saw this near to my daughter's school and I bought 2 because I'm thinking there must be at least one win, but no. Okay, so there's no win in this session, guys. Nada. Okay. Okay, so there's no win in this session. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao. Hello guys. So I went back to the store to chase the next ticket. Hi, Jessica, you're crazy. Okay, so I scratched there because it's a little bit far. Near to my daughter's school. It's not near to my house, guys, because near to my house there's no Easter ticket anymore, only that store. So okay, so so 25, 26 were losers. Okay, so I bought 27. I scratched this off camera. Nothing here. And I found a cesto or basket in English. €10. Okay. 3 like prices. Nada. I show you. I brought it home to show you guys that sometimes chasing doesn't work. Here we're looking for rainbow. And I already knew because I saw the lottery code. And it's only €10. Okay, so I bought the next ticket. This is the last ticket, guys. There's no more. So I cannot chase anymore. I went back there. Nobody bought this ticket because this ticket is old and somebody won the jackpot already. So nobody is stupid enough to buy this ticket. Only me. I like this ticket, so I bought 3 in total, and I won 10. Okay, so I lost €5 because I went back to the store, guys. The same book, look. So I went back there to buy the next one. I was hoping at least to give me €20, but of course, coffee money, as always. My Jesus. Always coffee money. Okay, so at least I tried to chase this ticket, guys. I was hoping I can get at least €20 to recover my loss, but no. €10. Okay, so I spent 15 in total and got back 10. I scratched this off camera. So because I didn't want to carry this ticket near in my daughter's school, guys. I put it in my bag. Okay. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Obrigada a todos. Excuse me. No, guys. I scratched this. And then when I pick up my daughter, I saw this. Nobody bought it. So, I chased this ticket. Oh, and I was thinking, for sure nobody bought the ticket, so I have to stop there before I pick up my daughter to school. And sure enough, nobody bought, so I bought this. So this is to be continued. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Obrigada a todos.